Welcome back. Trying to get my cameras running. Goodness gracious, I didn't know it was going to be this hard, but okay, there we go. All right, so as I was saying, our doorway down here, I'm just going to draw like 2 doorknobs. Do like a double door. Can you see where I did the door right there?
I think Grandma Calvin's
okay, and then this one over here, I'm going to make the door here. So I can pick any spot I want and just randomly draw my lines. Erase this area here to make my door. Literally in the corner of the building. Guys. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. Sorry about teenagers in the background. All right. So you can do whatever you want. If you want to make this realistic and make it look like there's curtains in the window or something, you can draw your curtains in the window. You can add details once you're done with all the drawings of all your lines. Okay, now you can draw like a potted plant sitting here, okay, or like a flowers growing in the window. Whatever you want to do. Whatever details you want, you can add those at the end, okay? All right, now let's go ahead. I showed you the example buildings. You look at some buildings in real life and come up with windows and where you want doors and stuff, and you complete the buildings in your drawing with those details for this week. So make corrections from the email I sent. Make your lines first, doing all those tick marks with your ruler. And if you don't have a ruler, you're going to have to eyeball how far apart and just use a straight edge and do your tick marks, okay? Get that done. Send me a flip grid as soon as you have that part done before you start working on your details, so that if I find something's not right, I'll fix it before you do doors and plants and windows and signs that say what the name of the shop is. Save all of that for week 3 details, where you're going to bedazzle your city drawing and make it with all those details in it. Does that make sense? All right. So good luck this week. I should be sometime today also uploading your week 8 sketchbooks as well. So good luck on that. And if you have any questions, you can always screenshot your drawing and send me an email with that picture. I'll get it back to you within a couple hours that same day. All right. Bye, guys. Good luck.